It's January 22, 2024, recording in Portland, Oregon. And the theme of this reflection is titled The Healer of Wounds. The Healer of Wounds. When we think of a wound, we think of something that has been separated. Flesh, lovers, a trauma, we could even see the experience, the feeling, the perception of being separated from God, from the heart of being, as a wound. The feeling of being separated from love. When a wound heals, the separation closes into wholeness. The original unity, seamlessness, oneness is restored, made whole. In our spiritual wounding, our conditioned perception of being apart from the one pains us. Without this apparent separation, would there be any movement to seek? To seek to close that wound, to seek wholeness. To seek that which is beyond all relative form. The great gift of the One is the unveiling of the myth of separation. rather than an endless journey. The gift is the endless remembrance of our wholeness. In every separation, in the space of our yearning, lies the seeds of our reunion.